After a grueling match, Austin stood victorious. Triple H and The Rock crashed the party, but Stone Cold was able to fight off The Undertaker and walk out WWE Champion. Austin held on to the championship until SummerSlam, where he lost it to Mankind in a triple threat match. However, the very next night on Raw, Triple H would reign supreme.
It's all about Triple H! He is now champion!
With Survivor Series approaching, Stone Cold was pitted in a triple threat match against Triple H and The Rock for the WWE Championship.
Come here, you little bastard!
But before the event could severe neck damage, and after undergoing surgery, he was out of action for over 9 months. In his absence, Triple H and The Rock dominated the WWE Championship picture, while Austin was left with questions as to who was behind the vicious attacks.
I will get my payback, and when I find the bastard that did this, I will take it out on your ass, and that's the bottom line, 'cause Stone Cold said so.
While Austin questioned other WWE superstars in search for answers, the truth finally came out.
I did it. I did it for The Rock. I ran over Stone Cold Steve Austin. And to tell the truth, I'd do it again. Austin, this Sunday, no mercy.
During the no-holds-barred affair, Austin attempted to pay back Rikishi for his dastardly deeds.
Rikishi's about to be broken!
But the police intervened. Stone Cold would have to wait until the 2001 Royal Rumble to get his hands on Rikishi again. And with action at a fever pitch inside the ring, Austin's number was drawn.
Here comes
the Rumble raged on.
Oh, look at this. JR, this is chaotic. I love a Royal Rumble.
Man, it's crazy here in New Orleans tonight.
Look at The Rock go.
Man, this will make a guy spit out his gumbo.
Oh, man. The action is fast and furious. And, oh, no, here comes Rikishi.
How do you get him over the top rope?
Those huge sesame seed buns of his.
And look at Austin hammering away at Rikishi, the man with the biggest buttocks in the business. Austin hitting anything that moves.
I don't blame him.
Here in the Royal Rumble.
Billy Gunn that just went down.
Austin getting involved in Triple H's title match earlier tonight here in the Crescent City. It's all on the line. The winner of the Royal Rumble goes to WrestleMania to meet the champion. Austin wants it badly.
And he's proven it by hitting anybody and everybody in sight. Look out! There he goes!
No friends, only enemies.
Austin eliminates Haku, and who's next?
Moments away from the next entrant. He's simply reminding him that he's there. Oh no, what's this? Rikishi is in all kinds of trouble. Clearly a tough night for Billy Gunn.
He's got him.
This guy can go toe-to-toe with anybody.
He's in big trouble. Very nicely done.
The Rock cannot be enjoying this.
Good God Almighty, the Phenom's out. Austin, this could be bad.
We've seen this before.
He's showing no signs of letting up. This may settle the score right here. That's it. He's out. Oh, this spells trouble right here.
Incredible move by Steve Austin. Kane's legs have been taking a beating. He's got to be hurt. Can he come back from this?
He's in full-on attack mode now.
Incredible move by Steve Austin.
Hey, he's going for it again. That's it. He's done. Oh, look at this. The rattlesnake with the rock up in the air, but can he get him over that top rope? He's got him. Look out. Oh, wait a minute. The rock with a rake in the eyes of Stone Cold Steve Austin.
We are down to nut-cutting time. The final three here in the Royal Rumble. Who's going to go to WrestleMania?
And now The Rock. Oh, wait a minute. The Rock over and out.
Kane try to push both The Rock and Austin out. Rock's eliminated. Austin is not. We're down to the final two.
Kane and the rattlesnake. And the rattlesnake really opened it up here on the Big Red Monster. Oh no.
Bandit. Who's going to WrestleMania?
Oh, choke slam.
It looks
from
like it's
hell.
going to be Kane going to WrestleMania. Austin just got choke slammed right out of his Texas boots.
There's Kane signaling not that the end is near, but that the end is here.
Here we go with a little taunting. Showboating.
Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight. He's showing no signs of letting up.
Oh my, Steve Austin.
Is this it?
Oh my, Steve Austin. And that wild attack won't find a home.
Oh man, what impact from that suplex. He's got to be history. Is he still even conscious? Oh man. Oh wait, nice reversal. Oh, out of nowhere. He's got him hooked. Steve Austin making his statement as we speak. He's in full-on attack mode now. It's safe to say the entire WWE locker room has just been put on notice. Steve Austin has really gained some ground here with his prodigious offense.
He just reversed that with ease. And he goes down hard.
He's really been zeroed in on, but he's still showing some signs of life.
I might be mistaken, but I think we've seen that a few times already tonight. Incredible move by Steve Austin.
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Steve Austin.
Steve Austin with the offense.
Good grief.
The Monster Kane is out.
Here is your winner, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
He's bloodied. He's battered. But JR, he's going to WrestleMania.
The toughest son of a gun in the WWE. He's fought his way back after spinal surgery, and he's going to WrestleMania.